Hello YouTubers, I'm just recording this quick tip for those of you who are not happy and fully satisfied with the voice quality while recording at home. I was trying different kind of big condenser microphones, different devices, trying the smartphones. All the tests and trials to improve my voice quality were not satisfying. So until I found out Audio-Technica battery powered microphone, which is Lavalier microphone, and the model ATR3350, and I connected this directly to the Zoom H2N, and for next, and that Zoom connects to my computer via USB, and recording are made via Camtasia. So eventually I'm fairly satisfied with the quality of the sound you can hear right now, and it's very nice and pleasant, professional looking microphone, and it's powered by the small battery. Let me just open up for you. Yeah, it's very small battery in here, and that what helps the quality of the sound, I believe, and it's plugged into the Zoom device. So I hope it will help you to distinguish between, if I tell you how I distinguish what I do to distinguish the two microphones. I've noticed there are microphones on the market which require which are device powered. I believe this is one of them, ME15 from Olympus. So since my device is not powering the microphone, I realize I need something like Audio-Technica ATR3350 to have the quality of the sound which I'm fairly satisfied with. So I hope it will help you when making your choices, and it's quite affordable equipment, and I hope you will like it when you hear yourself record it.